like to welcome you all to Barcelona Airport. Local time is 21 minutes past 6 p.m. We've landed almost 20 minutes ahead of our schedule. We kindly ask you remain still seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt signs above your head will be switched off and the aircraft has come to complete and final stop. You can now use all your portable electronic devices. Please make sure you take your personal belongings with you, checking your seat pockets, underneath seats, and in your head lockers. Do take care while opening the lockers in case anything falls out. Smoking will not be permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. Finally, on behalf of the captain and the entire